There are 7 of them who are taking up the 10th exam, and there is one of them who is taking up the 12th board exam. So therefore, today we are going to invoke the Lord and seek His grace and His blessings, so that all of them are able to study well, perform well, and become successful in their the results of their exam. Not only they, all of you children, I'm sure you all also have your test, you have your exam, right? So they are sitting in front of the Deepa and chanting and praying. You also will, along with them, pray for your own success in your little exams also. Okay? So therefore we are going to start the puja. In our tradition, we do Deepa Puja also. The Jyoti, the flame of the lighted lamp, Agni Bhagavan, represents Paramatma for all of us. So therefore, instead of keeping a picture of God, normally what we do is we light a lamp, and in the flame, in the light of the lamp, we invoke Bhagavan's presence and worship Him and pray to Him. Therefore, the first thing what we are going to do, all the Rangoli has been already put over there, the Deepa is ready, Haridra Kumkum, Haladi and Kumkum have all been put to the lamp, placed on the lamp. Wick is there, oil is there. Now we have to light the lamp and then invoke the Lord. So right now, the lamps will all be lit. So when we light a lamp, we don't use a matchbox. We always bring the Jyoti from the main altar. The main altar is the puja room. In the temple, it will be the sanctum sanctum. So from there, the Jyoti will be there, because there the lighted lamp represents Paramatma. So from there, it's like bringing Paramatma and making him the one, the many. How many other lamps are there? Okay.
Om Shri Balaganapathye Namaha. Om Shri Balaganapathye Namaha. Om Shri Tarunaganapathye Namaha. Om Shri Tarunaganapathye Namaha. Om Shri Bhakti Ganapathaye Namaha. Om Shri Bhakti Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Veera Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Veera Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Shakti Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Shakti Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Dvija Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Dvija Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Siddhi Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Siddhi Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Uchchishta Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Uchchishta Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Vighna Ganapataye Namaha. ॐ श्री विघ्नगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री क्षिप्रगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री क्षिप्रगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री हेरम्बगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री हेरम्बगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री लक्ष्मीगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री लक्ष्मीगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री विजयगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री विजयगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री नृत्यगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री नृत्यगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री ऊर्ध्वगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री ऊर्ध्वगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री एकाक्षरगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री एकाक्षरगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री वरगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री वरगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री त्रैक्षरगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री त्रैक्षरगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री क्षिप्रप्रसादगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री क्षिप्रप्रसादगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री हरिद्रागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री हरिद्रागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री एकदन्तगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री एकदन्तगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सृष्टिगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सृष्टिगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री उद्दण्डगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री उद्दण्डगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री ऋणविमोचनगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री ऋणविमोचनगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री ढुण्डिगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री ढुण्डिगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री द्विमुखगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री द्विमुखगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री त्रिमुखगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री त्रिमुखगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सिंहगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सिंहगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री योगागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री योगागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री दुर्गागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री दुर्गागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सङ्कष्टहरगणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सङ्कष्टहरगणपतये नमः। भारत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री भारत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री शारदायै नमः। ॐ श्री शारदायै नमः। ॐ श्री हंसवाहिन्यै नमः। ॐ श्री हंसवाहिन्यै नमः। ॐ श्री जगति ख्यातायै नमः। ॐ श्री जगति ख्यातायै नमः। ॐ श्री वागीश्वर्यै नमः। ॐ श्री वागीश्वर्यै नमः। ॐ श्री कौमार्यै नमः। ॐ श्री कौमार्यै नमः। ॐ श्री ब्रह्मचारिण्यै नमः। ॐ श्री ब्रह्मचारिण्यै नमः। ॐ श्री बुद्ध बुद्धिदात्रे नमः
ॐ श्री बुद्धिदात्रे नमः
ॐ श्री वरदायिन्यै नमः
ॐ श्री वरदायिन्यै नमः
ॐ श्री क्षुद्रघण्टायै नमः
ॐ श्री क्षुद्रघण्टायै नमः
ॐ श्री भुवनेश्वर्यै नमः
ॐ